What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time dropping in, Tommy Kentner here. Today we're working on the Midnight Purple R33 again, Vspec. Got some new intakes in, so that way we can hear that RB make its RB good noises. Alright, let's see what these things look like.
Oh,
no. Oh, got a Apex sticker.
Do you know you can eat these?
You can eat them? Yeah. Okay. Go ahead and try you some.
Nah, I'm good.
Come on, man. How were they? You gotta season them first, Adrian.
No.
Come on, man.
I prefer mine deep fried.
Oh, okay. Don't make a mess.
Oh, it's gonna make a mess.
Don't make a... Oh.
I hate back.
Dang it, you're making a mess.
No! What is that?
Some hardware. Ooh. Oh. Instructions in Japan. Japanese.
Power intake.
Uh-oh, we got the power.
Alrighty. Well.
Should we do a stock with res?
Huh?
A stock with res versus when we get them installed?
Yeah, I guess so.
Yep. Alright, rev's coming soon. We're gonna let it warm up. Alright guys, that was stock revs. We're going to get to installing these, and then we'll do, after we get them installed, revs, and show y'all the guys the difference. Don't break it, Adrian.
Don't video the 30-year-old clips.
Hell, they're 30 years old as soon as they put them on the car.
Should put them clips on eBay. They're probably worth
Yep.
$500 because they're from a GT-R.
$1 million. Air filter look new.
Yeah.
Maybe not. That's Japan dirt. Box that up.
I've been up since like 3 a.m. I don't know what y'all say. All I know is blow, all I know is grind. I'm on your head, so all I know is climb. Just know I'm different. If I see the target, just know I'm gonna hit it. I don't know the fake, just know I live it. Anything I say, just know I'm in it. I know the ops and they lightweight. I'm in the zone and
Alright, I'm robbing this from Adrian. He had it powder coated for his car before he decided to go full retard. So I'm commandeering it for a little bit.
Rental prices are very high.
We'll have to pay fees. Just don't charge me that Colorado tax.
Yeah. We'll get more tools.
Alright, get more tools, Adrian.
6 clamps.
We're not worried about that. I just want mine to look as good as yours.
Good luck. It's the only thing I got on you right now.
Huh?
That's the only thing I got on you right now is my engine bay looks cooler. Even though it doesn't run. I'll find motivation sooner or later.
Right. Y'all drop comments below giving Adrian compliments on his R32.
Look, I've been up since like 3 a.m. I don't hear the hate, what y'all say ain't in. All I know is go, all I know is grind. I'm on your head, all I know is climb. Just know I'm different. If I see the target, just know I'm gon' hit it. I don't know the fake, just know I live it. Anything I say, just know I'm in it. I know the ops and they lightweight. I'm in the zone and I might stay. Yeah, I'm on in the right way. Check the scoreboard, look who I play. They say sky the limit, that's too low for.
You can do it.
Everything's just dry.
Oh yeah. Pull it like you live, boy. Oh yeah.
Us, we showing up in the nosebleeds of the galaxy. When you think of great, look, it's actually me. Yeah, it's actually me.
Adrian is messing with me because he's got this powder coated too. He won't change it out, guys. Drop a comment below and tell him to change it out. I don't even know if it can be done in the car.
Say what?
That's like, I don't even know if it can be done in the car.
I think it can be done in the car, but it'd be ugly.
Yeah. We'll just worry about that when this comes out. We got plans. I ain't trying to do extra labor. Especially on stock turbo lights.
What is he doing?
What you do?
The socket just fell.
Oh no. Was it a 10mm?
12.
Dang
I
it.
can see it.
Oh good.
But
Get my little grabby thing. Alright, after a deep excavating situation, we have found the 10mm.
Might just pull up on some nonsense. Ain't no limits on my.
GT-R suck.
Alright guys, don't change that, just go single. A lot easier.
GT-R suck. Buy a Honda Civic.
You torque those, right?
I'm not done yet, Tommy. We'll torque it off camera.
Oh, okay.
The people don't care about torque. They don't want to see it. They just want to know it's done.
Oh, okay. You got a marker?
Huh?
You got a marker?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. We'll get that done next.
The next footage you'll see, they'll already be torqued.
Yeah. German spec. Good and tight.
All right.
Alright, hard part's done.
Conscience. I don't know, you don't know, we don't know. Stop us. I don't think nothing can stop us. Ain't none of y'all about to stop.
Go to your home.
There.
Nice. But look how much better that looks, Adrian.
Yeah. There's a reason why I agreed to do it right away.
Might just pull up on some nonsense. Ain't no.
Alright. Make sure you put that gasket in between there too. And on this one, the mask goes pointed out that way where you do it to the connector.
Alright.
Looks good in there. Bring some color to the engine bay.
Should have been black to match everything else.
Oh, dang it. Pull them back out. We gotta take them to the powder coater ASAP.
I got wrinkle black spray can.
Yeah, they're not gonna be in there long enough to worry about it. We might touch this up too. guys. That looks a lot better. Heck yeah. Alright. What do y'all think, guys? Drop a comment below.
We still need to get some glue.
Yep. We gotta find some glue for the twin turbo. Oh, she's coming together. Already looking better. Alright guys, we got them installed and we did a little secret touch up. But it turned out really good with the new powder coated pieces. Ta-da! But yeah, this turned out really good swapping that. Should have got Adrian to hit those, but need something to break it out, don't we?
Yeah, the valve cover's probably the roughest thing now.
Yep, so we're working on a new valve cover situation. Just doing some test pieces to get color.
Your wife Victoria needs to go ahead and get you a Christmas present for that.
Oh, for that?
Panel,
yeah.
That carbon panel.
Oh,
that
yeah. Yeah, that'd be a good idea.
That you sent her
right.
a link to.
We'll see if she watches this video. But alright, Adrian's gonna fire it up and let's see what these new intakes sound like. Alright guys, you can actually hear the turbos now, which is exciting. We would take it out for a spin, but of course it's pouring rain in Tennessee in December. But that'll be in the next episode. We're going to take it for a spin and listen to these turbos really sing now. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and we'll catch you in the next episode, and stay tuned for R32 stuff too. I'm going to go more in depth on that on the next video, and then we'll go from there. Peace. See you guys later.
Limits on my conscience. I don't know, you don't know, we don't know. Stop us. I don't think nothing can stop us. Ain't none of y'all about to stop us. Nothing can stop us. Ain't none of y'all about to stop us. Nothing can stop us. Ain't none of y'all about to stop us. Might just pull up on some